everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, it's all about taking care of the skin, giving your skin a spa-like treatment at home. Now, how are we going to do this? We're going to do this by using our GUGUG facial scraper, and thanks to GUGUG for sponsoring in this video. Now guys, this is a must try. It is a must-try tool, especially if you're looking to transform your skin. You can have a spa day at home without spending any more than what you pay for this tool. I'm telling you guys, I'm so in love with this tool and I want to share it with you today. I am going to take you step by step, showing you how to use the tool. So the first thing we're going to start off is with cleansing the skin, and then we are going to be lifting the skin, and then we're going to be basically massaging the skin using our negative and positive irons. Now here's a little bit more about the GUGUG facial scraper. So here we have our GUGUG device, and the device uses ultrasonic wands which help to soften tissue, aids in cleansing of blocked pores and assist to tighten and firm the skin. It also helps to enhance elasticity and overall generates skin cells. The GUGUG device comes with 4 moods. The first mood is the cleansing, second is lifting, the third is the positive, and the fourth is the negative iron. It do have a power button which you can press and enter all the different moods. So you press once to power it on, and then you press a second time to go to cleansing, third time to go to lifting, fourth to go to positive, and fifth to go to negative irons. Now this is a step-by-step tool that you can use on your skin. It also comes with 2 silicone pads, and that's you're going to use to cover the spatula, which is the blade part, whenever you are cleansing the skin. So it comes with its own cord, the USB cord, and take a look at the bottom. It's where you're going to plug this in, charge for at least 5 hours before you use, and this is going to give you about 80 minutes of full charge. So the first thing I'm going to do is to cleanse my face. So I'm going to be using one of my facial cleanser, and this is my parsley milk facial cleanser. Now to cleanse the face, I'm going to use the silicone cover. I'm just going to cover the spatula, power it on, and then I'm going to start by cleansing. So now that my skin is clean, I am now going to use the lifting method. And there is it, the lifting satins. And this is going to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads and clean out those pores. And especially if you have like your nose, you're just going to push it against it like I'm showing here. Just lifting. Once that is done, I'm going to go on to Iron Plus, and that is one of my favorite setting to use. This you can use with your serum, or you can choose to use this with your facial mask. Today I'm going to be using mine with the serum, and this is one time I'm going to be generous with it because I'm going to be using one of my own homemade serum. If you want the recipe, I'll link it below. And we're using the Iron Plus, and the spatula is going to face downwards. And I'm going to start on my cheekbones, right below. Lifting. Smoothing it out. And right in your face, you're seeing it just erasing that laugh line. Chiseling out that laugh line, smoothing the skin. And look at that. Amazing. Oh my goodness, amazing. Now let's go for the forehead. Now here's a bonus for you. If you have this frown line in here, just take the tool and just glide this right in the frown line. This is so amazing, guys. And now we're going to move on to the final setting, which is the iron minus. So to use the iron minus, we're doing the same areas we just did. It's just that instead of using the back of the spatula like this to lift, we're going to do it forward like this. So we're turning it over and we're just going to lift. So this is the minus. And what this is doing is just creating an amazing lift to the skin. So go ahead and lift. And that is it. So what you're going to do, you're going to turn your tool off. And once it's off, you're going to hear it beep. This power off. Go ahead and clean it, the tip of it, and make sure it is properly dried. Cover it and put it away. Now you want to use this at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result. Now let me tell you guys, you might become a little addicted to this. However, try to use it no more than 2 to 3 times a week. I find that the first time I tried it, I was like just so amazed that I want to use it every day. But 2 to 3 times per week is good. And remember to always use it with a facial mask, a facial serum, or a facial moisturizer and a toner. And guess what, guys, you're on your way to amazing looking skin. Just look at my skin from using this. It's feeling so fresh, so smooth, and I am smiling because this is it. You really need something like this in your life to have to transform your skin. When you're done using it, you feel like you've been in the spa all day homemade, all day at home. So why not try this tool? And I'm going to put a link in the description where you can get this to purchase.